Coriander seeds. I'm gonna leave these lamb breasts marinating in red wine for tomorrow. Then I'll season them up. Pinot Noir right here. Lamb breasts. They look like lamb ribs, so we're gonna get them drunk right now. Leave them in there. Let that red wine infuse in them. And then we'll be ready for tomorrow. And then I'll season them. Alright guys, happy Easter. I'm making, these are lamb, they're called lamb breasts, but they're more like ribs because they got the ribs there. So you see how it's kind of purple? I marinated last night in wine, in red wine. So this is like a 2-part marination. Alright, so there we go. It has coriander seeds. I got a couple guests coming over, keeping it simple today. I'm not going crazy. See, there it is. So, these are ribs right here. Alright, take this over. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna make another marinade. Alright guys, I'm gonna make another marinade. Start with some garlic in here. A lot of garlic for this lamb. I got parsley. Parsley right there. I got cilantro in here. Cilantro. I got thyme, rosemary. So that whole thing up in there. There we go. There we go. Got some coriander seeds. Some coriander that goes with lamb. Complements it very well. You guys already know my favorite, smoked paprika. Throw that in there. Okay. Cumin. Goes with lamb very good. Pepper, black pepper. There we go. And this is sumac. It gives it like a floral Mediterranean taste. It's like lemon kind of, like a lemony, fruity, citrusy. You can get that at a Mediterranean market right there. Check it out. This stuff is good, it's amazing. And then I got, so I'm Dominican, but I'm adding a Dominican flair on it. Right here, this is like all purpose, but it has a lot of flavor. So there we go. I like my meat seasoned very nicely. I like food with flavor. I don't like that bland food. And then I always get yourself a good olive oil right here. This is a good olive oil. $15 and up, and you get good quality olive oil. There you go. Okay. Oh yeah, oh my God. And I'm gonna throw some lemon. Hope you guys make this at home. This is easy, quick. I mean, it's just in the oven. So we're not editing that too, we're leaving that. We're not editing nothing. One take, that's all it takes. One take, we're not editing nothing. So you guys will see that I make mistakes. I make mistakes too. There you go. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw a little bit of this zest right here. lamb, I know it's gonna have a lot of flavor. Anything you make with love comes out good. Cut that up. Little pieces. I'll just use a little bit of it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna season it up a little bit. I'm just using this right here. Okay. You could use any all spice, you know, something complete that has everything in it. Alright, using that. See how it's purple from the wine? There you go. This has a fat, but you know, the fat from the lamb it has a lot of flavor. So I don't take out the membrane in the back of this. Alright, so now we're ready to pour. Let me get rid of this. Alright guys, here we go. This is a two-step marination. Remember, the red wine first, leave that for 24 hours, and then this right here, I'm gonna marinate it for at least 2 hours or 5 hours, all right? Let me wash my hands so I can rub this meat. Ready? All right, so now I'm distributing this marinade all over. Make sure you get that. See, you got the thyme in there, you got everything in there. This is a complete pieces of onions from before, from that wine marinade. Rub that well. Get in there. Look at that. Those crevices in there.
What kind of wine did you marinate it in?
The wine was what was it, a port? Oh, Pinot Noir, yep. Pinot Noir. I had more, but I don't want to point any elbow with somebody drinking over here. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna put it away for at least 2 hours. All right, should give it time for the guests to arrive. All right, guys, take a look. I marinated it for 2.5 hours. You could leave it for more, but this was a two-step marination process. The oven's ready. I'm gonna throw them in there for about 2.5 hours. All right, there you go, guys. Hope you guys make this at home. I'll be back with the finished product, and I'll be back to taste before the guests arrive. That's it. I'm gonna baste it, you guys. So it looks like it's been in there for an hour. Gave me a chance to take a shower, shave. Alright, I'll be back, guys, with the finished product. Check this out. I'm making a risotto. Couple little side dishes. I'll teach you how to make this another time, but I don't got time. The lamb is the star of the show. Alright? Chives up in there. This is a hit. I was gonna sit and eat, but I got people coming, guys. So you know, this is the start of the show. I got other dishes on there, but I wanted to definitely show you guys the finished product before these people come. All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys make this on Easter. Happy Easter, and give thanks every day, guys. All right. There you go.